Hello everyone. We will be explaining module 5 of basic electrical, which deals with the DC and AC machines. So in DC and AC machines, firstly we will be introducing the electromechanical conversion machines. Now as you can see, there is a working principle of induction motor which will be explained later. So we will be explaining first about electromechanical conversion machines. As we know, electrical machines which deals with the energy transfer from mechanical to electrical form or electrical to mechanical form are called electromechanical conversion machines. Basically, electromechanical conversion machine use a medium of magnetic field and electric field, but practical converters use magnetic field as a coupling medium between electrical and mechanical form. Why? Because there is electric storing capacity of magnetic field is much higher compared to electric field. So, in electromechanical conversion machine, examples will be DC motors, synchronous machines, induction motors. As we know, a motor works on the principle that when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, mechanical force is experienced by the conductor. That is motor. Basically, motor is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy, whereas generator is a device which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Here generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction, which states that whenever a conductor is placed in a moving magnetic field, voltage is induced in a conductor. Therefore, generator is based on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Repetitively, we can say that motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Basically, generator will generate electrical energy, motor will utilize the energy. So, in this we can say the different similarities will be direction of EMF and induced current will be same in generator but opposite in motor. Similarly, direction of electromagnetic torque and friction torque will be same in generator but opposite in motor, whereas direction of electromagnetic torque and rotation of the shaft are same in motor but opposite in